Shmai Bob. Today we're looking at rounding to the nearest 100. So we can be rounding 3-digit numbers. A little rhyme to help us with our questions. Find the place value and circle the digit. Move to the right and underline it. 0 to 4, the circle stays the same. But 5 to 9, adding 1 is the game. Now flex your muscles, just like a hero. Digits to the right will change to a 0. All the other numbers stay the same. Well done, you're winning at the rounding game. Let me show you what it all means. So my first question to you is to round 237 to the nearest 100. So remember our first line, we need to find the place value and circle the digit. The place value we are talking about is 100. We are going to round to the nearest 100. So I look at my 100 column and I see the digit 2 in my 100 column. Now I move to the right of my place value of 2 and see that the 10 column is a 3 and I underline it. If the number underlined is between 0 and 4, the circle will stay the same. If it's between 5 and 9, I need to add 1 to my circle. Now I can see that my underlined number is a 3 and it's between 0 and 4, so it means my circle number will stay the same. Now we flex our muscles just like a hero. All the digits to the right of your place value that's circled will change to a 0. So I get rid of my tens and units and replace them with 2 zeros. 237 to the nearest 100 is 200. So let's look at this number again. This time I want you to round it to the nearest 10. Find the place value and circle the digit. The place value we're looking at is 10. So in my 10 column, there's a 3. So I circle the digit 3. I now need to move to the right and underline it. Here it is. Is my underlined number between 0 and 4 or between 5 and 9? I have a 7 underlined. That's between 5 and 9. So I need to add 1 to my circle number of 3. So if I add 1 to my circle number, it takes it to 4. Now all the numbers to the right of your circled numbers must change to a 0. So I change my unit column to a 0. My other numbers are going to stay the same. My 100 number is going to stay the same. So well done, guys. You have rounded 237 to the nearest 10. The answer is 240. So let's have a look at the number 474. First of all, I'm going to round it to the nearest 100. Then I'm going to round the same number to the nearest 10. So when we think of our poem at the beginning, what place value are we looking at? Well, the first one is 100. So I need to circle my 100. I move to the right and I underline it. My underlined number is a 7. It's between 5 and 9. So I know I need to add 1 to my circle number. Now all my digits to the right of my circle number must change to zeros. 474 to the nearest 100 is 500. So let's have a look now at rounding the same number to the nearest 10. 10 is my place value, so I circle my 10 column. I move to the right and I underline it. 0 to 4, my circle stays the same. 5 to 9, I need to add 1 to my circle. I have a 4, so that tells me my circle number must stay the same. So now all the digits to the right of my circle number must change to a 0. 474 to the nearest 10 is 470. I'd like you to have a go at these and upload them to Seesaw for your teacher to see. Good luck, guys.